Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I almost didn't put this video up because I'd lost some footage and we had a hard time placing the camera because of the sun. You couldn't see the screen. But we got a lot of plants put in the ground today. Once we got those wild onions out this bottom area of the garden. Thank you, Richard, for doing that for me. We planted pink stock, pink creeping phlox, Gila Dusty Miller, two dragon's blood. Gorgeous plants. If you have never raised them before, you should give them a try. Let's see, put some snapdragons in and some violas. I'm trying to think if there was anything else. Oh, there was a blue flower. I can't remember the name of it. It's a pre-annual. The only one I put in there that's isn't annual are the stock plants. I also got my herb container planted. I put a super bell in to give it color. I put two different varieties of sage in. One of them is a golden sage. It's variegated. I planted a parsley, a rosemary. Now it'll stay in that pot till next year because it'll come back. Um, a basil plant. I think that might be it. Anyway, I got that watered in, got that planted. Normally we just buy our spices at the store, but I wanted a few plants to have a few fresh herbs, have over the summertime to cook with. Uh, Nothing tastes as good as fresh vegetables and spices and stuff you raise yourself. I haven't got my vegetable garden set up yet. Got to work on that soon. Not sure I'm going to raise a lot this year because I'm still recovering from foot surgery. It takes a long time to get over your nerves healing and the soreness and pain you feel. But I'll eventually get there. But I do want to get some raised beds we got put in. And when I do, I'll show you those videos. So thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. No bloopers today.